When I had the first knee surgery, I really didn't even think about applying to the Home Fund. 6 months later, I had to do the other knee, and they helped me, and they paid 3 months of my house note. When we promote the Home Fund, we try to give them examples of these stories and how it helped.
My HVAC was 30 years old. It died. I have a husband who has lung cancer. He's got severe COPD, emphysema. He needed cleaner air. He needed to be cool all the time. I didn't have money to go out there and buy another unit.
You know, I said, well, get you some estimates and we're gonna submit and see what we got.
And Home Depot's Homer Fund gave me the $5,000 for all the incidentals. And because of that, he's able to stay cool.
The sky just got dark. They say the tornado was gonna go across the river. Next thing you know, it just got real, real dark. I tried to go to the bathroom. The bathroom ripped off the house. My ceiling caved in. I met Miss Diane. She did all the paperwork for me.
We collected money, we helped him with a Home Fund, supporting him not only with financial, but with the moral support that he needed from the people in the store. And the Home Fund is there whenever somebody is in dire need. Do we ever expect to use it? No. Do we know when we may need it? No. But that day may arise. You pay more for a coat than putting $1 off your paycheck.
But we have stories that are as simple as $75, $100. Home Fund touches so many different individuals. It could touch a lot of lives.